Yo, welcome back to another trading recap. So, bro, I'm about to explain a couple of things. Oh, I removed. Yo, that's actually kind of. Okay, so I just realized I removed all my drawings to reset my chart for Asian session, and I never made a trade recap on New York session, and I don't remember where I made the trade. I don't know, bro. Okay, listen. So, first of all, New York session, we lost 1K. And yeah, that's crazy, bro. We over leveraged. Basically, bro, we over leveraged and we made a bad trade. Bias was bullish. We were just ripping down. We should have been like, yo, this is a bad day to trade. We should just wait for tomorrow and or just wait for Asian session, not take any trades today. Nothing really to take. Like, I mean, yeah, there's just, nothing to really take. I should have just not traded New York, but we did. Made a bad trade, and I can't find. Um, I deleted it, so I don't know what it was, but it was a short. Or wait, no, it might have been a call, bro. I actually have no clue. But just know it was a bad trade. Um, what is that? I don't know what these. Okay, whatever. But just know it was a bad trade, okay? And then, bro, we made this huge comeback in Asian session. So basically, let me just, okay, let's just go over my bias real quick and delete these alerts. Okay, so bias.
Most funded accounts charge around like $1,000 for a
Um,
250K funded account. Guess
what's it
what?
called?
Why would you start at the smallest one when you've already proved to yourself that you have 6
Yo,
months
let
of
me stop
profitability?
watching this, bro. Okay, my bad. I'm in call with my friends, but I'm about, wait, I don't even know what I was going to say. That's my bad, though. I'm in call with my friends. I didn't know I was watching a stream. Okay, but bias was bearish because, um, honestly, we broke structure on the 4 hour. We're in this imbalance. It looks like we're finally reacting to it. And honestly, bro, we could have had a bullish bias, I'm not going to lie, just because of all of this liquidity got swept. And honestly, it's probably going to, I wouldn't be surprised if it starts going up. But the main reason I was looking for shorts is because we tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap. We showed resistance to it before, so we know it's like kind of valid. And then this was post market, yeah, I guess post market or pre market Asian session. We swept this high, tapped into here, right? And then we also had this 5-minute fair value gap right here. We showed resistance, okay? So yeah, we swept this high. Um, in this 15-minute fair value gap, and then we're also in equilibrium from this movement down, as you can see. Here we go, 50% line right here. This high to this low right here. We're in equilibrium. And yeah, so that's why I was looking for shorts here. So basically we market open here, right? We're just consolidating the whole time, bro. So we're just consolidating the whole time. I was waiting. I was like, yo, nothing. Is anything gonna happen? And then boom, we have this big candle to the downside that disrespects this 5-minute fair value gap. And so just like something I noticed, I guess, is like suddenly we have a lot more volume and it was to the downside, and we also disrespected this 5-minute fair value gap. So I'm like, okay, this is probably the right time to enter. Looks like we're gonna have a big move down, or a decent move down, not even big for Asian session at least. So I entered off of that. Um, and you can see, I guess you can see the execution points. I didn't know you could turn those on, but I guess like that's proof. But I'm still on demo, so we're still doing the challenge. So I mean, it doesn't really matter. Um, what's it called? So we set stop loss a little bit above the fair value gap, inverse fair value gap. We took the trade off of this gray box here, and then we set our TP at this 5-minute FVG that we showed a lot of resistance to, and there's just like a ton of liquidity right here. So yeah, this is an easy it could easily reverse at this point. So we set our TP there, and it hit really fast. So I entered with 3 contracts on the regular, and we made all of our money back from the 1K we lost. And I think we're up overall. Yeah, we are up. Cause we're at 2.2K, and we were like 2.1 before. So we're up now. We just made all that back. And yeah, this was a really good trade actually. So I realized like I need to like think about it, and I mean I thought about it and I'm like I really need to just not trade if I don't see anything during New York and Asian session too, but usually there's something during Asian. But especially New York, dude. I just need to not like if there's nothing, if I don't like anything or if I don't see anything during New York, I just need to, not trade for that day. Like I just gotta, I just like I can't do that. Like I always trade. Like even if there's like, I just force myself to take these bad setups during New York. So I'm just gonna lock in, no more taking bad setups during New York. We're gonna take good setups only, and we're probably gonna trade on the micro because it's really hard not to over leverage on NQ. So on the regular NQ. So yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. This was a really nice trade. I'm really happy about it. But yeah, we really gotta lock in with New York session. Like we gotta realize, a lot more volume, so we should be trading on the micro. And along with that, like if there's not a good setup, there's not a good setup. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's pretty much it though. Happy we made that back. So for New York, I guess we can aim for like $300 because we can't gain too much. Or else I'll go over the limit. But yeah, I mean, other than that, good trade, and I'll see you guys in the next trading recap.